Once an employee submits a report, you can view it online. It shows who submitted the report, how long they spent, their GPS position and weather conditions, their answers, plus any photos. You can also download or print the report if needed. At the bottom is the revision history. This shows who changed it, when, and what was changed. Press Edit to change the report yourself. iScout also provides robust filtering and analysis tools for finding reports. You can search by date, GPS location, or by any question in your form. For example, we could search for audits in the last month with an unsatisfactory rating. Below are the individual responses. We can select which columns to view and export them to a PDF or spreadsheet. Now, we'll break this down by location, and we see that Dallas has the most issues. Then click Dallas to drill in, and click Category to view it by category. Now it's clear that most Dallas issues are related to scaffolding. Of course, your forms will have your own questions. In fact, you can build your own forms directly through the website. Here, we quickly build a near-miss report where the employee chooses the severity, a description, and attaches photos. You can include many types of fields such as text boxes, select lists, photos, sketches, and more. You can even hide questions if they don't apply. You can also set up alerts when a report is submitted. For example, you could receive an email for every audit that is completed. Or ping your iPhone when a life-threatening near-miss comes in. Pick and choose exactly which reports are important to you.